Hi everybody, this is Mary for Stampin' Camp with Mary, Mary's Stamping Happenings. And today is Tips and Techniques Tuesday. Today I want to show you some of the new designer series paper that's going to be in the 2020-21 annual catalog. But you can get it right now. This is part of the Ornate Garden suite, and this is the Ornate Garden Designer Series paper. And it is just beautiful. I hope this does it a lot better, but you really need to see it in person. You get 6 designs, two-sided, 2 sheets each. So 4 of the designs are gold foil. So this one, you can see the gold foil, white on gold. And see if you can see the design a little bit better. There you go. And on the back is a bunch of daisies. Isn't that beautiful? Then the next one, this one isn't gold foil. This is the old olive and then some daisies on the back of that, or on the front of that, depending upon which is what. Now this one is another gold foil and whisker white with a large daisies. Actually, it looks like almost this design, but it's not colored. I hope you can see that. But you can see it right here because I started coloring some in. I'm using the Stampin' Right markers. On the back of that is this design. And then you've got this design. This is not a gold foil design. I like this, what is it, terracotta tile one. And then you've got, now this is probably my favorite one. This is on old olive. Let's see if you can see the, it's really hard to see that design. It says almost like butterflies. Let's see if I can bring it down and see if you can see it then. There. How's that? There. Get the sun off of it. There. Oh, and on the back is this design. And then here's another. This is on the mint macaron. See that design? That's the gold foil side. And this is just the pansy side. I think those are pansies. Anyhow, just wanted to show you some of the great new designer series paper coming out in the catalog. Remember to follow me on YouTube. And the information to buy this right now is available down below. I'd appreciate it if you help my small business by doing your Stampin' Up shopping with me. Thanks for visiting and happy stamping. Bye-bye.